Hello guys, my name is Michael Alberto and we're going to be checking the pressure for the AC. So make sure the gauges are always closed from here, because if you have it open, this is going to come, like the fan is going to come out of here. So we're going to connect the low side first, like this. Make sure it's, and now we're going to connect the high side. Alright, so you're gonna open them, make sure they go all the way to the bottom and that they stay locked pretty good. So like you can tell right here, they're open already, so there's pressure coming into the gauges. And so right now we're getting this readings, which is 160, and it needs to be, the low side needs to be in 20 to 40, and the high side needs to be from 100 to 200. But to get good reading and to see the good pressure of it, we have to turn on the car and we'll get the good reading out of it. So let's go turn on the car and put AC full blast. Let's see what we get. So like I said, we're gonna turn on the car to get proper reading. Proper good reading, we need to turn on the car and let the AC run. So we're gonna put full blast. Right, we're gonna turn it on. Alright, turn on. Pull full blast on the AC. Make sure the circulation stays inside. It doesn't go like outside of it. So make sure there's two fans right here on the top are blowing towards you. You put your thermometer. The thermometer needs to be from 35 to 45. So you do the RPM from 50,000 to 2,000. So you're gonna you can tell the pressure's dropping from 50 to 45, so it's going down little by little once the car is getting hot, cold. So you do that for at least, let's say, a good minute, and like you see the pressure staying at, it looks like 42, so we're gonna wait for a little bit to see if it drops to 40 or it stays at 42. If it stays at 42, that means it's good, but we also have to check the pressures like we said, so that means it's good. It's good. If it was above 45, that means it was too much. So we're gonna turn it off right now. And we're gonna go check the front. The pressure from the front, how everything's. So we check how the pressure it is, and it's all good. Everything's running great. So AC is working fine, and that's how you do an AC performance test. So we got it. We're good to go. We got a good pressure. AC working good. Pressure's pretty good, so we have a good AC performance test. This car has passed.